Hello everyone. It was only a matter of time before the Read Aloud feature became available in the free version of ChatGPT-3. What does this mean for people who frequently use ChatGPT-3? It means that from now on, they will be able to hear an audio recording of the responses generated by this artificial intelligence. For example, I've prepared a message for ChatGPT. I'll copy and paste it. In a short period of time, the response is generated. Notice the audio icon below the generated response. If we click on it, the text will be read aloud. Let's hear how it sounds.
Hello there. It sounds like you're promoting a channel focused on information technology. That's fantastic. Keeping up with the latest events and advancements in IT is crucial in today's fast-paced world. If you have any specific topics or highlights you'd like to share about your channel, feel free to let us know. Innovation in IT is always exciting.
Is this ChatGPT option useful to you? Write to us in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.